So now you've downloaded and installed Purrdata, we're going to open it and take a quick look at what is going on. So just bear with me, I'm going to switch to another desktop. So here I'm going to open first of all Purrdata from my menu. The first thing that comes up is a dialog box. Just going to extend that so we can see what's going on there. And then I'm going to add a new patch. A new patch is basically a blank document, blank page. The way Purrdata works is it has a system where you can put objects, messages, numbers or graphical elements. These can also be customized once you put them in place. We're just going to put a bang. We're going to put a toggle to see that that's been banged. We're going to put a, oops, hang on a second. We're going to put a message, and then we're going to put an object. The object is going to be print, and the message is going to be hello world. So the way, once we're editing, we can basically move things where we want, and we take the bottom outlet of each element that we want to join up and we put it into the top inlet of the other element that we want to connect to. Oh, I seem to have done them both. Hang on a second. Let's delete that one. There we go. So at the moment we're in edit mode. So to put this into run mode, we would go to the edit menu, down to edit, unclick that, and then now it's in play mode. So we basically can make a bang. This will hit the hello world and it will print in our dialog box hello world. So there you go, that's the basics of how this visual programming is working. Afterwards you can get quite creative with the graphics if you want. So the other most important area of this is the help menu. The help menu has quick access to a manual, which gives you documentation for PD. We can also have a quick reference list. This tells you all the different objects you can create. So for example, here's the print object that we put, and if you want to know more about the print object, you right click, click help, and it will give you a more in-depth explanation as how you can use the print object here. Now this is a patch, and as a patch, whilst you have the information, you can also switch this from play mode, which it is at the moment. Where's our dialog box gone? Here it is. So it's just printed a bang because I hit bang. If I hit that, it will print 2, 3, 4, and if I hit that, it will print walk the dog. So there you go, you've got some basic elements here, and if you want to use that for anything else, you can go into edit, drag a box around the things you want to copy, paste them into your patch, and basically do what you want with them once you're playing with it. Okay, so there's another very important thing here, is that PD comes with many examples, and in the help browser you will find many of those libraries and examples that could be interesting for you to work with. So you have stuff on sound, you have manuals to control tutorials, audio tutorials, data structures, and with each of these it shows you patches that will help you understand better how to use the programming software.